Hey, so I'm Sasha from Leclair Decor, and today I'm here with Marcella. Marcella's one of our original designers here, and over the last few years, she's progressed into doing product design for LD Shop. And today we're here to talk to you about a really exciting project.
We've been working on an exciting collaboration with Laura from Nightwood Studios. We designed a collection of decor pieces that we're very excited to bring into the shop. And today we're gonna take you to Wakefield, where she's gonna be talking about herself, her passion, and the woodworking process.
I originally was never a woodworker. I was actually an English lit major. Then realized that I can't sit still and that I really like to make things. I went back to school for woodworking and got a degree in fine woodworking and then worked in several different wood shops, building my skills until I was able to break out on my own and start Nightwood Studio. The best part would be when you finally hit your flow. And flow is just a beautiful thing because you find yourself completely immersed in a task. Let's say you're perfecting a beautiful taper on a table leg, or like with these trays, you know, you're making sure that everything fits perfectly, and next thing you know, 3 hours passed and something beautiful is in front of you. And I think those moments in life are truly the most beautiful. People see something, they're like, okay, you took 2 pieces of wood, and then when you explain all of the planing, the cutting, the everything, people's minds are blown. They always say that, you know, the last 10% takes about 80% of the time, and it's really true. All the little finishing touches, all the sanding. So for the items in the collection that I did with Leclair, very careful to make sure that the items last. All of the trays are joined with traditional joinery. All of the boxes are mitered and then splined so that it'll stand the test of time. Wood expands and contracts over the seasons. They're designed carefully so that that expansion and contraction won't affect the longevity of the box. None of it will split. And so rather than having something that you buy at the store that'll last, you know, maybe 2-3 years, this is a 50-year affair.